Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Riverside with Zapier for AI Transcript Summaries. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the riverside.fm website. Log in to your Riverside account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard where you can access your recordings. Select the recording you want to connect with Zapier for transcription. Next, open a new tab and go to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account or create one if you don't have an existing account. In the Zapier dashboard, click on Make a Zap to start a new automation. In the Trigger section, search for and select Riverside. Choose the appropriate trigger event, such as New Recording. After connecting, test the trigger to ensure data transfers correctly from Riverside to Zapier. Once the trigger is set, proceed to the Actions section. Search for and select OpenAI or the relevant AI service you prefer for transcript summarization. Choose the action event, like Generate Summary or Create Transcript Summary. Connect your OpenAI account by following the In the setup, map the Riverside recording data to the AI service fields to ensure they work together accurately. Once everything is correctly set, test the action to confirm that the summary is generated successfully. If successful, proceed to name your Zap and turn it on. Now, every time you create a new recording on Riverside, Zapier will automatically generate a transcript summary using the AI service you select. You're all set. Your Riverside and Zapier integration is complete for seamless AI transcript summaries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.